Hello and welcome. I will be explaining how to use the Python script that I created for generating BMS contracts from a spreadsheet. So let's take a look how to use it. The first thing is you sign in using your personal email or your BMS email and navigate to the BMS sponsorship contracts folder. From there, you click on BMS contract. But to show that this script is working, I will first show you the output folder, which is empty, and the sign contracts, which only has the previous year's contract, right? So that means the new ones are not there. This means that if the output comes, that means the script is working. So go to BMS contracts spreadsheet, right? There'll be two tabs. One is help, which I'll be adding later, and the details sheet. This is the important sheet that you will have to enter for creating a new contract. So I'm just gonna, these are a bunch of columns that you have to fill, and these are compulsory to fill to make a good contract. So I'm gonna paste the output here. So now this would work. So this is just a rough example. Now this is the season, basically the years is basically the season, right? Now the next step is you go to collab.research.google.com. Now you have to log in with your BMS email ID. All right, only the BMS email ID. Now from here you go to recent and click on contract generator. Once you do that, once it has loaded, the step, ideally you can click run all, but ideally you should click restart and run all. Let me just wait for that. Restart and run all. This is the best option to click. Now let's just wait for this. Okay, the output is done. Save this, and this is in this folder. If I click this folder, you see generated contract. Yeah, it's there, and it's well formatted and nice and coherent, and it makes sure that there's no inconsistency. And yeah, so if you change the template once, it's gonna change the template for all the contracts, which will make it nice and consistent, right? So to show you, it updated here also. The first view I was showing you clearly. And another thing it does is it also creates another new folder in the signed contracts folder just to make it easier. So once you take a printout and the faculty in charge signs it, you upload it into this folder. So yeah, the script creates this folder as well just to save one more step for the user. All right. So yeah, that's it.